Hi, sir. How much do you pay in rent?
I pay $884.
Cool. Can you give me a tour of your apartment?
Sure, let's go. Hi, my name's Andrew and welcome to Scholar's Quad. Again, what do I do in here? I have a nice TV. So I watch TV. I do have pretty good natural light coming in from the windows. All right, so this is my kitchen. I do a little bit of cooking. I recently got an Instant Pot, which has been a lifesaver for meal prepping for the week because, you know, as a grad student, we're all very busy.
So you're a grad student.
Yeah, I'm a second-year Master of Public Affairs student at the O'Neill School of Public and Environmental Affairs, where I study energy policy. Here are a bunch of books that I have not read. And then right here is the really big pencil. For my birthday, I went and did laser tag, which was really fun. And we all pulled together our coins. We got a really big pencil. Howdy there, miss.
So, since you're in grad school, how do you get to school from your apartment?
So most of the time I walk. I'm about a 20-minute walk to O'Neill, but I also live right across from the 6th bus stop, so I do sometimes take that. It's a direct route straight to O'Neill. So this is my bedroom. Again, this is a 1-bedroom apartment. Nice and simple. Over here is the closet, which has a fair amount of space. Over here is my coupon corner. Burger King, Papa John's, Arby's.
Well, Andrew, thanks for showing me around your apartment.
See ya!